So now let's see how we can copy masks between layers inside of GIMP. So over here you can see that I have a layer, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and add in a mask. So to do that, I'm going to go around and right click, and I'm going to add a layer mask right here. Once I do that, you can see that this is what I can do. I can go around and add in a mask right here. So once that is done, I'm simply going to go around and then change around the masking, so you can see that I'm drawing around in the mask right here. So now I'm going to go around and open out another image as a layer right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and open up another image as a layer, as you can see, just like this. So now what I can do is I can go around and copy out the mask of this layer onto this layer. So to do that, first of all, I need to go around and select out this particular layer right here, and then I'm going to go around onto layer, onto mask right here, and then I'm going to go around and click on mask to selection. Once I do that, what happens is that you can see that the mask is added onto the selection right here. So the mask right here is turn into a selection. So now I can go around onto the other layer, and I can right click over here, and I can go around and then add a layer mask right here. And over here on the top, I can select the selection and then click on add, just like this. So once I do that, let me just go around and click on add, and now you can see that the exact mask is copied out, just like this. And that is how you can copy out layer mask in between layers inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.